Hello, my name is Rachel Foster. I am a researcher and teacher at Stockholm University in Stockholm, Sweden. I am also, along with my great colleague Sarari Garcia, the curator of this playlist of talks on aquatic microbiology. Last fall, Sarari and I organized and launched a brand new course in microbial ecology. We had planned for in-class learning activities, field and lab bench exercises. And like many of us in the world, those plans were changed to virtual learning platforms. Earlier in the year, I suspected that this might be the case and thought, how can I still bring the lab and the field to my students? How can I enrich the learning experience for the students? I reached out to my international network of colleagues and friends, asking them if they would like to contribute. The response was overwhelmingly positive, and nearly all that I reached out to made time for us. Over the course of 9 weeks, 30 colleagues joined us virtually to give live talks or sent pre-recordings of their talks. They then joined for a 30-minute virtual discussion led by the students. I feel that both the students and the invited speakers benefited from these exchanges. And now Sarari and I are very passionate about sharing this rich resource with the larger scientific community. Feel free to browse the playlist and use these recordings in your own virtual classrooms and departmental seminars. You will find talks on aquatic microbial ecology from the surface ocean to the seafloor, from pole to pole, from microbialites in the Gulf of Mexico to the tropical North Pacific, truly from genomes to biomes. I want to thank my colleagues for their inspirational talks, for their time and advice to the students. It has made a true difference in the education of my students during this very challenging time. I want to thank my students of the class of 2020 for their participation, enthusiasm, and well-versed introductions of our invited speakers. And finally, to my colleague Sarari for her support to see this project to fruition. If you would like to contribute, feel free to send an email to Sarari or I, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks.